Unveiling the secrets to making money online with YouTube. In today's digital age, the internet has become a bustling marketplace for various income-generating opportunities. One particularly lucrative avenue is creating content on YouTube. With over 2 billion logged-in monthly users, YouTube has evolved into a powerhouse platform for creators to showcase their talents, interests, and expertise. In this article, we'll explore the strategies and tips to successfully monetize your YouTube channel and turn your passion into a profitable venture. Quality content is key. The cornerstone of any successful YouTube channel is high-quality content. Whether you're producing educational tutorials, entertaining vlogs, or insightful reviews, the key is to offer value to your audience, engage your viewers, keep them informed, and always strive for excellence in your production. Finding your niche, identifying a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise is crucial. A focused channel tends to attract a more dedicated and engaged audience. Whether it's tech reviews, cooking, fitness, or travel, honing in on your niche allows you to become an authority in your field, building trust with your viewers. Consistency matters. Consistency is the backbone of a successful YouTube channel. Regularly uploading content keeps your audience engaged and eager for more. Establish a posting schedule that you can realistically maintain, whether it's once a week or more. This not only helps with viewer retention, but also signals to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active and relevant. Optimize for search engines. YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google, which means optimizing your videos for search is crucial. Conduct keyword research to understand what your target audience is searching for. Incorporate relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags. This helps your videos rank higher in search results, increasing their visibility. Engage with your audience. Building a community around your channel is essential for long-term success. Respond promptly to comments, ask for feedback, and consider conducting live streams or Q&A sessions. Engaging with your audience not only strengthens the connection, but also provides valuable insights into their preferences and interests. Monetization options. YouTube offers several avenues for creators to monetize their content. A. Ad revenue. Partnering with YouTube's partner program allows you to earn a share of the advertising revenue generated from your videos. To qualify, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Channel memberships. If you have a dedicated fan base, you can offer channel memberships, which come with perks like exclusive content or badges. This is an additional revenue stream for creators. See merchandise shelf. If you have branded merchandise, you can showcase it directly below your video, allowing viewers to make purchases easily. Super chats and super stickers. During live streams, viewers can purchase super chats or super stickers, which highlight their messages and provide additional revenue for the creator. Sponsored content and brand deals. Collaborating with brands for sponsored content can be highly profitable. Ensure that the products or services align with your channel's theme and are of genuine interest to your audience. Diversify your income streams. While YouTube is a powerful platform, it's wise not to rely solely on ad revenue. Explore other revenue streams like affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or even starting a Patreon community. Diversification provides stability and enhances your overall earnings potential. Conclusion: making money online with YouTube is not an overnight success story. It requires dedication, creativity, and strategic planning. By consistently producing high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and exploring various monetization options, you can turn your YouTube channel into a thriving online business. Remember, success on YouTube is a journey, and with the right approach, it can be a highly rewarding one.